I wasn't satisfied, as you can see, that it has limit connectivity. I wasn't satisfied, but now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect to my hotspot so that you may see that the laptop is up and that it can connect to Wi-Fi, connect to the internet through Wi-Fi. So we're going to connect. Stop. Connect. As you can see in the corner, has limited connectivity. So we're trying to get it to the connect to the hotspot. For some reason, I don't know why it's taking so long. It says successfully connected, but yet I'm waiting on my little ball. Global. We're going to disconnect. Let's see it again. Let me try it again. It's saying local connection only, but it's not really. Let's try it again. Going to disconnect. Connect. Connect. I don't know why it's not connecting. And they did another issue. I don't know, maybe because when I rebooted the computer, it shows limited connectivity, as you can see right here. So it says if you are connected to a wireless hotspot, you might need to open a web browser to finish connecting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little more troubleshooting steps as far as with the internet now, just to show you that the computer is up and running and the screen is not freezing anymore. Be back in a few.